Hey guys, it's Caaliyah and I'm back with another video. So I was sent some products from the Agave Healing Oil line, and agave is an ingredient that is supposed to lock in moisture and help repair dry, damaged hair. So I started off with dry, old, 5th day hair. This is an old twist out that definitely needed to just be re-moisturized. So I went ahead and drenched my hair underneath the water, and the first product I started with is the smoothing shampoo, and this is sulfate and paraben free, and it's supposed to remove buildup and dirt from your hair but also hydrate it. So the consistency was pretty lightweight, but it was nice and creamy. It smells so good, like very tropical, and once I put it onto my hair, I just instantly fell in love. This is a very moisturizing shampoo, and moisturizing shampoos are my favorite. But even though it was very moisturizing, it also did make my hair feel nice and clean and get rid of any dirt that I had. So I was very impressed with this shampoo. So next I use the smoothing conditioner, and this is supposed to hydrate and also smooth and tame your frizz. The consistency was very lightweight, which I was not expecting, but my hair definitely loved it and soaked it all up. It was so moisturizing, you guys, on my hair. My hair loved it, and then along with the moisture, it definitely had amazing slip. So I took advantage of that, and you can see I'm finger detangling, which means that this has like amazing slip. But I did decide to just go in with my wide tooth comb and finish detangling, which was a breeze. And I went ahead and just rinsed off the conditioner, and my hair was left nice and soft and just totally hydrated and definitely frizz free. I did go ahead and use their mask, which I typically don't use both in the same wash day, but I really wanted to try it for you guys, and who doesn't want the extra moisture? So as you saw, the consistency is also very lightweight, but it's very creamy, and since my hair was already detangled, it was easy for me to just apply it straight to my hair and kind of rake it through. This mask is supposed to strengthen and hydrate dry, damaged, or frizzy hair. So once I put it onto my hair just soaked it up. It's pretty much the conditioner times 10. It's very moisturizing, and I used so much of it on my hair. So I applied it to both sides of my hair, let it sit for the required time, which is about 5 minutes, and once I rinsed it, my hair just felt brought back to life. It was very moisturized, had great definition. It was just, I loved it, you guys. This is my hair an hour later. I let it air dry, and you guys can see my hair is still very nice and soft and just totally hydrated. So those 3 products I just used definitely did its job. But now I'm moving on to the Agave Oil Treatment, and I feel like this would be perfect for those who use the liquid oil cream method. You can use water, go onto this oil, and then a cream. It's very lightweight but super moisturizing, especially for it to be an oil. And I think that's why it's an oil treatment, because it's just that extra oomph. So I definitely loved this product. I applied it to my dry hair. You can use it on dry or wet hair. And I made sure to focus it on my ends, because the ends are the oldest parts of your hair. And then I went on to style it in a blowout. So I blow dried my hair, which you guys will see in just a second. So this is my blowout, and my hair was just nice, voluminous, fluffy, and very soft. So I'm just going to style my hair in some braids so I can have some nice waves and curls in my head. And then I'm going to end off this video using the Agave Revitalizing Shine Spray. Now this spray is just the last finishing touch for any hairstyle, and it definitely gives you a nice shine to your hair, which is what it did for me. So I'm just spraying that all over my hair, and then I'm going to just separate my curls for some more volume, and that is the look. So I definitely loved all of the products in this line. They were very moisturizing and just made my hair really soft. I personally would recommend this not only to those with straight or curly hair, but those who heat style their hair. So the next time you go to straighten your hair, definitely try these products out. I'll have links in the description box where you can pick them up. And if you liked this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more details on this look.